Hello, this is Arthur again. Today we're going to take a look at this 2020 Land Rover Range Rover Velar. This is the P250S version, which comes with a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. This car is here because there's a coolant leak. I'm going to show you where the problem is. I'm going to show you what part I'm going to use to fix the problem, and then I'm going to talk to you about the part replacement process and show you a time lapse possibly of the replacement, and then hopefully once it's fixed I'll show you the end result. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the wheel as well as the fender liner on the passenger side, and here we can see there is a auxiliary radiator that is hiding behind it, and this radiator has a leak. So coolant right here, and this hose area is a little bit wet, but if you take a better look, it actually leaks from here, from the side. There's only two connections on this radiator, one there on the bottom, and then there's one on top over here. So the radiator is not good. Gonna have to replace the radiator. I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna look at it. Here are the new parts that are going to get installed on this Velar. Here's the radiator. This goes on the passenger side, as you saw. And this is an updated part. Here's the part number. It comes with different bracketry on it compared to the original one, which is this one, and it has welded on tabs for mounting, and it doesn't have this black metal bracket on it. However, with this new design, Land Rover also sells you this new shroud, which mounts on this radiator and onto the car. Here's the part number for it. The old one almost looks identical to this one, but it actually is not. It doesn't fit well on this radiator, and you gotta get the new updated one. Now let's go ahead and install it back on the car. Now the radiator is in, I'm going to put coolant in it and make sure nothing's leaking. Then continue putting the fender liner in and the wheel in, bleed the system, and that should be it for this job. Okay, the Velar is all ready. The radiator has been replaced, as well as the shroud. Put the wheel back on, tightened it to spec. System has been bled. Coolant level is good. Going to recheck the coolant level one more time once it cools down. And then that's about it. If you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. There are more videos to come. Thank you.